it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventure. Sorry, I was trying to leave the addiction out. I think I'm in denial, but look, I'm so excited. Okay, so the 11/11 sale kind of spread to Etsy for me. And I worked a little bit hard at work, and so we had a couple extra funds this month, and so I went a little crazy, not super crazy, but for me crazy. Usually I have a $30 limit per month. This month I was able to have a $60 limit, and so I was able to get a few things on Etsy that I've wanted to review for a while from some new shops, and so I'm super, super excited. If you can tell, this says airmail. And what does that mean? That means it's out of country. And so this came from Caro 3D Creations. And I'm very excited. I've wanted to check her out for a while. She is on Etsy's. Actually, it's Caro, C-A-R-O, 3D Creations. I need to get my glasses checked. So she was having a sale on some of her accessories, first come, first serve, and I was super excited, and so I got something. Can you guess what it is? Okay, enough of that. Let me get my scissors, and let's open this bad boy up. And if I go back, I ordered this on November 13th. And I received it yesterday, which was November 19th, Tuesday. So coming from Canada, that was super fast. Okay. That's everything. Oh, so fun. She has on here, it's in French. It says, "En apprécié vos commentaires. Merci de nous laisser un avis." And so I've always wanted to try one of her trays out. She is the woman that you see has these square trays. And she had this like orange, well, it's like a yellow, orange, gold color. I don't even know how to describe it. I would consider it more gold with an orange tint, and I've always wanted to try her trays out. Now, I know Archer's Arts has a square tray, but this fits right in. This is a great size for me, and I can't wait to try this out. So, if I get more money, I might get more of these because I love this size, and then I would have this, and so I'd have two that are kind of the size of my hands, so to speak. Now, my friend at work loves llamas. So I know this is kind of like an alpaca type llama, but I got a keychain in purple for me. Even though green's my favorite color, green's her favorite color too. And so I got her a green one, and I got me a purple one. And these were just so fun. So these were $4.70 American. And the tray I got on sale for $5.33 American. Her trays normally run, let me go to them. Yeah, so her trays normally run $10.97. And they come in 17 different colors. And this color is she calls it orange, but I think it's more gold, like an orangey gold color. So yeah, so this, I got basically 50% off. So I was super excited about that, to try it. And then I got myself a little alpaca llama. So fun. And then I got my friend at work a green one. So cute. So she's got different keychains that she offers on her site. Let me just click over there and see. So she's got a little bunny, she's got a gecko, and then she's got a llama, And then she does have some accessories on sale, but it's like first come, first serve, and she only has one thing left. And I don't know what that's called because it's all in French. So I don't think she has any trays left that are on sale. But, yeah. So this is my purchase. So go check her out. I'll have her link down below. But yeah, her prices are pretty competitive for what you get. And go check her out and have some fun. And you get something Canadian. So thank you so much for sharing. I love your store, Caro 3D Creations. I'm going to post this video and put your link down below. Hopefully you get a bunch of people who check out your store and buy your amazing product. Can't wait. I'm going to go check this out, see how it works right now. So if you stick with me and watch the next video, you may see this show up. Who knows? All right, take care. Love you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.